To install the water filter bypass cap in this GE refrigerator, first rotate the water filter counterclockwise to remove, if necessary. For better access to install the bypass cap, depress the left side of the filter housing cover to detach. Now, when installing the water filter bypass cap, keep the larger port facing forward as you insert the cap into the water filter housing and rotate clockwise until it locks into place. If applicable, reposition the filter housing cover and snap it into position.